We have started the process of cleaning these bathroom tiles. We have done a small spot in the middle of the floor just to show how dirty the tiles really are. We're going to continue applying the chemicals throughout the tiles and grout, and then we're going to steam wash with the high temperature dry steam the whole bathroom, including sanitizing all the bathroom fixtures. We start the cleaning preparation process by applying the cleaner over the tiles and grout. The cleaner will soften any grease and dirt that has accumulated on the grout over the years. This facilitates the removal of any grease and scum when steam is applied on the tiles and the grout. As we let the grout cleaner do its work while we sanitize all bathroom fixtures with dry steam. We clean every groove, gaps, and every fixture in the bathroom with the dry steam. We still clean every fixture in the bathroom, getting to every crack where dirt accumulated over the years. We make sure to remove and sanitize that area with a very hot dry steam. After cleaning and sanitizing all the fixtures, we use steam to clean the entire tile area, removing all the dirt and grease, softened by the cleaner at a temperature of 350 Fahrenheit. The steam alone will clean the tiles and grout, but we rather prep the surface with a cleaner to facilitate the removal of the dirt and create a clean surface, and don't open all the pores in the grout for the color sealer to penetrate better. This process goes on till the entire bathroom is clean and white. This completes the steam cleaning process of the whole bathroom, finishing with the floor. Grout is ready to be sealed after we clean the entire bathroom. We completed the walls, it's all colored and sealed. The grout we use is a color and sealer combination that will create a uniform grout coloring while sealing it and protecting from absorbing and get dirty in the future. let the color sealer absorb into the grout joints. We wipe the excess that's sitting on the tiles. This is right after we let it dry for a minute or so. And the process continues throughout the entire bathroom when all the joints are all sealed. After we let the grout completely dry, we polish with a buffing machine and remove any dry residue that was left on the tiles during the grouting cleaning process. We give it a final vacuum, remove any dust that was created under the buffing. This removes any dust that's sitting on top of the tiles. For the final coating overall, the grout and color sealer, we apply an extra step of clear sealer to further protect tiles and grout. This is the final stretch of the sealing the floor. This will dry to be a clear sealer, will not enhance or change the color of the grout or the stones once it's dry. And this is the final stage of our grouting, coloring and sealing process. We're wiping off any residue of sealer that's been accumulated over the tiles. This further spreads sealer into the joints. It's a many steps process to do the correct job. If you have a need for restoring grout, discolored joints, and sealing bathroom or kitchen floor, please reach out to us. We have extended our service of restoration, cleaning and sealing from outdoor driveway and patio pavers to indoor stone and tiles and grout. Reach out to Gappsi at 631-543-1177.